Once upon a time, there was a farmer who had 4 sons. The sons were always fighting with each other, and the farmer was worried that they would never learn to work together. One day, the farmer decided to teach them a lesson and show them the power of unity. The farmer called his sons together and asked each of them to bring him a stick. He then asked each of them to break the stick in half, and they all did so easily. The farmer then gave each of them 4 sticks and asked them to tie the sticks together. Once they had done so, the farmer asked them to break the bundle of sticks, but they found it impossible to do so. The farmer smiled and said, "My dear sons, this is the power of unity. Individually, you were weak and easily broken, but together, you are strong and unbreakable. Always remember that unity is strength." The sons realized the truth in their father's words and began to work together, helping each other with their tasks and cooperating in every way possible. They learned to put aside their differences and work towards a common goal, and they soon became a strong and happy family. The moral of the story is that we should always remember that there is strength in unity. Whether we are facing personal or societal challenges, working together can help us achieve our goals and overcome obstacles. By putting aside our differences and working towards a common goal, we can achieve great things and build a better world for ourselves and others.